Hello, we are back with another video of FOYCOM capability. Today we will see how we can use the Sales app. FOYCOM Sales app will transform the way you close the deals. Our Sales app is designed to streamline your sales process, giving you the tools you need to close deals faster and more efficiently. So, without wasting time, let's see how it works. In order to open the Sales app, first click on the Sales from the FOYCOM menu. Now click on the Orders. So, we have the list of all the sales orders. Let's create a new one. Click on the Create. Add the customer. You have the option over here whether this particular invoice is eligible for commission or not. So, if you want to keep it eligible for commission, just click on this box. So, as soon as you click, you must have an option to select your sales agent. So, this particular sales agent will get the commission. So, we have the option of generating the sales commission for the sales agent as well. Now we have all the details autofilled from the contacts. You can select the price list over here. You can define the payment terms as well. Moving further, let's add a product to our sales app. I am adding the product diary. We have other details about the products to add over here. That is quantity, ordered units, order value, price, case cost, and many others. If you are managing the inventory of this particular product, you have the options for managing them as well. Unit per case, case per layer, and layer per pallets. So if you are done with adding the details of the product, you can click on Save and Close. So your product will be added to the order line. And if you add another product after editing this, click on Save and New. I do not want to add the product, so I will click Save and Close. Now my product has been added. Now you have the option to confirm the order, or the other option is to send the quotation. Here we can say our order is in the draft stage. In the draft stage means we can say that we have created a sales quotation. So, if we confirm the quotation, it will be a sales order. And if we want to send the quotation, we have the option to send it. Now, I am confirming the quotation or the draft order. So, as soon as I confirm, I have changed the stage from draft order to sales order. And here I have the option to create the invoice. Now my quotation has been converted into a sales order. I have the option to fulfill the delivery over here. So, click on the delivery. Here you can see the delivery. We can say that the product is not available. So, the availability of the product will be shown over here. Let's check the availability. As soon as you click, the status will be updated whether the product is available or not. Here we can see that this product is not available. Let me validate. It will not allow me to validate. So, this is how you can validate the delivery as well. Now create the invoice. Here we have three options whether we want to create a regular invoice, down payment percentage, or down payment fixed amount. I am selecting the regular invoice option and creating the draft invoice. Now my draft invoice has been created. As soon as I confirm, I have the complete customer invoice. And here I have the option to register the payment. As soon as you click on Register Payment, you have options in this particular pop-up to select the details about the payment. So select as per your need and create payment. Now my payment has been created and my sales order has been fully paid. So this is how we can use the sales order of FOYCOM. So with the help of FOYCOM Sales app, you can boost your sales, close more deals, and grow your business with this particular app. Try it today and take your sales team to the next level. See you in the next video.